Hey, it's Jamie from Guildbrook Farm, and welcome back to our mountain home build where we are building our gorgeous forever home, our mountain chalet in North Carolina, and we have finally just got our countertops installed today. I absolutely love the stone that we had picked out. This is a granite countertop. We went with sort of an unusual print that most people don't really go with, and I'm really glad we went with this because it kind of pulled all the different colors together that we've been putting in this house, from the copper sinks to the farmhouse floors that we put in. If you guys want to see how we did it, stick with us.
Hey, welcome back. A couple days ago we went to pick out some granite slabs for the island and the perimeter cabinets and the bathrooms. And then they'll be here to template everything. So when they come, they'll figure out the cutouts they need to make for the sink, cooktop, and the bathroom sinks. While I'm waiting on that, I'm going to try and put some drains into our vessel sinks. These are our bathroom sinks, copper vessels. Pretty cool. We're going to have it mounted kind of like surface mount. Then we've got these cool vessel faucets, like so. Got to get it to the right distance from the sink to where the water falls, pretty much in the center as close as possible to where the drain is, otherwise it'll ramp like a skateboard and shoot back out. So we'll figure that out. But I think I will, like I said, try to do this, at least the drain part, because it's a lot easier to do now than when the sink is installed in the countertop and you have to crawl under. So this should be quick and easy if you've never installed a drain into a vessel sink. This has a rubber gasket underneath. You can either use that or not. If you don't use it, you need to use plumber's putty. We don't want to use plumber's putty on a copper sink because it'll create sort of a bullseye effect. So we are going to use this rubber gasket that comes with it. And it's pretty simple, you just put it in there. Flip the sink over. Then you want this rubber washer with the small end facing the drain. And I'm going to tighten it with the threads a little bit, just to kind of get it on there. And you want this friction washer and the lock nut. A lot of these copper vessel sinks are handmade and hand hammered, so you're not going to have a perfect surface. That's why it's important to get a good seal here. So we got rubber gaskets on each side. You can also use a bead of silicone, 100% silicone, clear caulking if you want. But this typically works. And there you go.
Yeah, it is a laser head, and this is just one of those surface.
Oh yeah. Countertops are here. This island is probably going to weigh about 1,000 pounds. It weighs about 25 pounds a square foot. That's a 4x10 island. They're waiting on a couple extra guys. I'm really glad I put that gate in our railing, they were able to back right up to it. We can come around this side and come in through the big double doors, set it right on here. That thing's gonna be real heavy.
Ok, muévete más, álzala. Eso. Voy yo primero, Tú. Ok, tú ahora tú. Ok, ahí vamos a bajar, ok. Ok, entonces ahora esto va a venir para arriba. Ocupamos los action cups, Alex. 2. Me voy a cambiar, pero...
There it is.
Con los gabinetes, esto, gabinetes, esquinas, puertas.
Por arriba. Aguántalo, aquí el carro. No cargues tanto. Okay. All right. Now. Jorge, métete. ¿Ya?
Ya, dale.
1, 2, 3, va.
Ya. Ahí va. Con los action cups. Tómale. Vas a sacarla también.
Métela. No puede haber tantas personas ahí.
De hecho, tienes que entrar tú primero. Ok.
Hold on. Okay. Stop.
Espera, tenemos que entrar igual. Espera.
Ok, vamos.
Deja tu mano de acá.
Ok, stop.
Espera.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Yeah. You like?
Yeah, I really like it. It has a good color. So they just cut this out, now they're here.
Yeah, they'll cut this out.
Nice.
And then that wood down here may need to be trimmed when they bring the range top.
Oh, yeah.
Fit the box in there, but
This color is a good color.
yeah, it turned out great.
Second guessing when I got it from someone.
So like I said, when we were looking at it in the light, you couldn't really tell what it was going to look like when you get it in. But look,
Yeah, that like goes with everything.
yeah,
It's so pretty.
this pulls out. You know, this color pulls out into the cabinets.
Yeah.
Looks good.
We have good taste.
We do. Now I just got to drill this hole and seam that. Should be good. That's a weird looking sink. Kind of neat, but
I'm gonna paint it clean. I can see toothpaste getting stuck in it. Yeah, this has like every color in it. But it's subtle.
did a good job on the seam. This will be about right where the edge of that cabinet sits.
Ya, para acá con cuidado como no. Ahí, vale. Lo levantamos un poquito y sacas el plástico, Nacho. zinc. Si quieren, mantengan un shim aquí para evitar en eso que se está moviendo por alguna razón que se vaya a caer.
So far so good. All the pieces have gone in pretty easily. Now the very difficult part. This is going to be heavy.
No, ya te metiste mucho. Salte un poco. Ahí estamos a un pie, yo creo.
Vamos, suave. Estamos llegando. Ábrame un poco. Sigamos. Ok, voy a desarrollar este.
Me queda rodilla, ¿no? Para que viene para acá.
Un poquito para acá, así.
¿No agarra la madera de abajo?
No. Ahí está. Ok, ahora levanten un poquito.
Uno primero.
Una vez. Como que hace un poquito. Ahora voy. Una vez. Ahora voy yo. Terminé. Está pegando muy de nada. Vaya como que se vale. No que recibe el gabinete tiempo. Bien.
That was super stressful.
Se abre la puerta aquí. ¿Estás mirando sobre la puerta? Por el medio.
That is beautiful.
Okay. I'm trying to like it is.
That's where it's supposed to be. 36.
Soy aquel que nunca se fue. Porque quería un sándwich de comer.
All right, so that's how we got our countertops in. I think it's pretty amazing how these guys got this 1,000-pound countertop, island countertop into our house. We have probably a couple more weeks left until we can apply for our COO, which is our certificate of occupancy, and then we'll be able to move in. So yeah, we should probably be in by the 1st of June, and then we get to decorating the house. So if you guys are curious to see where we go from there, go ahead and stick with us, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.